Does the following series converge or diverge? Now this series, sits sevenths to the n, is geometric, so it's fairly easy to find out if it converges or diverges just using the geometric series test. But it's also a great example when trying to learn about the ratio test. So the ratio test, to find out if a series is converges or diverges, we're going to find the limit as n approaches infinity of our series plus 1, a n plus 1, so that would be 6/7 to the n plus 1 divided by our regular series, which is just 6/7 to the n. So when we do that, we get the limit of n to infinity of 6/7 to the n plus 1 times, now since we're dividing, we're going to do the reciprocal of this, which is 7/6 to the n. Now that we have that, we're going to separate it out. We're going to have a limit n to the infinity of 6 to the n, we got from here, times 6 to the 1 from the n plus 1, and then 7 to the n over, separate this out now, 7 to the n times 7 to the 1 here times 6 to the n. When we do that, our terms 6 to the n cancel out and 7 to the n cancel out. So we get the limit from n to infinity of 6/7, which would just be 6/7. So our ratio we got from the ratio test was 6/7. Now, since the limit of the ratio is less than 1, we know from our ratio test rules that since our ratio, or the limit of a ratio is less than 1, that the series does indeed converge.